up? This is Abdullah. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to do a review on Book Vault. I'm sure most of you know it or heard of it before. Actually, I've been using it personally since day one that I got started with Amazon KDP. Okay, so we're going to take a look at their main feature. It has a lot to offer that definitely you should take a look at. And yeah, I'm going to show you each one by one. I mean, we're going to focus on the main ones that I think are the most important ones. And yeah, so without any further ado, make sure like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see here, as soon as you log in, they have these videos, okay? And I highly recommend you to watch each one of these so you can learn and know how to use Book Vault research part and the create part, but we're going to focus on research for now. Okay, so we have products. This is the first one, and this is one of my favorites because it's like heaven of niches basically. So you can go here and you can pick any low content and no content book type. Book Vault is very much focused on the low content and no content books. Okay, we're going, for example, to pick a logbook. Okay, fish, and see what comes up. You can try bunch of words, and they'll show you. They show you the average, the total results. Average BSR, lowest price, highest price, average price, and book category. So the thing is, you want to always focus on books that have quite high average price and the lower a low BSR basically, like under 100,000. It's good. Okay, so we have, as you can see here, they show you a bunch of books. So we have Fisherman Logbook for, I think this is a high content book. Okay, so they show you a bunch of keyword niches. This is a niche research tool. Okay, moving on to the next one. Actually, I don't want to spend too much time on this because it's not that important. Basically, what it does, you can pick, for example, Jade Summer, very popular bookseller on Amazon. It sells coloring books. But anyways, what you can do is you enter the author name, and they show you like how many books they have, average BSR, and all that. But to be honest, the data it wasn't accurate. So you know, nothing is perfect, I guess. Okay, so moving on to the next one, which is Cloud. This is a good feature or tool they have on here. The same spiel here. You basically pick whatever book category you want. For example, activity book, and you can type a keyword if you want. So basically, and you can pick about, for example, by top 100, 500, whatever. So we're just going to do top 100, and you can pick like the BSR range. Let's see, for example, okay, how much is that? But anyways, so let's click on search real quick and see what comes up. As you can see here, bunch of activity books niches, dot to dot books, adult activity books, Minecraft. Here we have bunch of key niches here. All right, so yeah, Mario again, like another. All right, whatever. Moving on. Yeah, so here, bunch of niches. It helps you to find niches. We have Book Scout. Basically, what it does here, you take an ISN number, for example, whatever ISN number from any book. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to make the video way too long. What it does, basically, you take an ISN number from a book. Okay, so basically what it does, you can pick an ISN number and search. It takes few seconds. So basically what it does, you take an ISN number and you put it here, and it shows you, it's like if you're familiar with helium-10, it sucks the keywords from the book. Okay, and to be honest, once again, it's not. I mean, they give you some keywords, obviously, but the search volume and all that, I'm not sure about that. Maybe just estimated based on the. I mean, you can use it for help, for sure, but I don't think you can rely on it 100%. Okay, because they give you some irrelevant keywords as well. So I want to keep this video as honest as I possibly can. Okay, so as you can see, it's a fishing logbook. Okay, and we have a bird journal notebook, so it just doesn't make sense. Okay, but at the same time, it's a good because here's a niche. Okay, what's that? Bird journal notebook. Okay, that's a niche. This is just favorites. It's just if you have like, yeah, it doesn't. This doesn't really do anything. We have keyword, and you can click on search, and it basically does is gives you a bunch of ideas. Shin logbook. Okay. So we have fishing logbook, and it gives you a bunch of keywords. This is both a bit more realistic than the other one, but yeah. So it shows you here the competition, and I'm assuming they're probably getting their data from Google Planner, Keyword Planner. This SV stands for search volume. Okay, on Amazon they said a logbook. Okay, that makes sense. We have baby logbook, best fishing logbook. And so as I said, it's very good for finding niches, and finding niches is the main thing. Okay, before you even think about making a book, you gotta find a good niche with good demand and low competition, as I said in previous videos. So you have competition. It show you the CPC, which is cost per click. I think this is for Google. Cost per click, Google ads. Okay, fair enough. And yeah, so this is for Google, but it's not for for Amazon, and it would have been way better if it was for Amazon. But anyways, so not a bad thing. As I said, it's not the best thing for keyword search, but it helps you find and discover many niches. So moving on, we have this KDP book categories. I don't want to get into it. It's for free. This is why I said I was using BookBolt. Okay, so because especially if you're new to KDP, when you try to choose a book categories, it could confuse because there's so many in one and in another, whatever. And it helps you find the book categories, and it's for free. And you have KDP Spy. Basically, this is an extension that you need to install on your browser when you're doing, for example, here we have this fishing logbook. You can click on it right here, and it shows you like a bunch of keywords, or it shows you like basically it pulls the data from the first page, and it tells you what's the average price, what's the average BSR, what's da. So yeah, and we're going back here to the top. We're going to click on create. They help you to create books as well. So basically, they have this puzzle whiz. This is a total separate software which helps you to make Sudoku, crossword, word search, cryptogram, word scramble, Mason vowels, Mason's cockaroo, whatever. Yeah, they have too many. Yeah, they have so many. And here's some tutorials on how to make these. Okay, this is a total separate. I think that it's $10 per month. Here we go. Okay, so we have BookBolt Designer, which helps you. Here, this one. And I like one thing about this. To be honest, I haven't used this a lot. I'm just used to Canva and some other design softwares out there. But yeah, I think it's very useful in creating patterns. And yeah. So we have, for example, this watermelon head. I don't know what creature is that, but anyways, you can turn this into a pattern. So basically, all you need to do, you just click on it, click on patterns, and vertical bricks repeat. And there you have a pattern that you can use on your book covers. Okay, I haven't used it a lot, but I think I like this feature about this. The last thing, which is Bolt mass cover converter, and this can be very, very useful to those who just publish notebooks, like just the guy on YouTube as well. It's called Ryan Rogue or something. Ryan. Mom, the POD guy, he only publishes notebooks, and this is can be very useful if you, especially if you sell T-shirts, for example, on Redbubble or on Amazon or whatever POD platform out there. What you can do is you can take all of your T-shirt designs and convert them into a book cover by click of a button, and it saves you so much time. Okay, I almost forgot one. They have another extension. So basically, they have another feature which basically you enter the title, subtitle, author, all that information of the first page of you entered information, and when you go there, you just click, for example, Shift M or whatever, and it helps you enter the information in few seconds. I think that helps if you uploading too many books manually in the same nature. So to sum up, what do I think about it? I think it's a powerful tool to find unlimited niches in any book category you want. Notebook, journal, logbook, activity book, puzzle book, whatever you like. And that's its main power, and also has a good bonus. It helps you making book covers. It helps you in so many things. Okay, and I got a coupon code for you to get 20% off, and I'm going to get a small commission off of that, which is Abdullah20. If you'd like to support the channel to produce more content like this, I mean better than this, so you can get 20% off. And yeah, and you have 3 days free trial. You can go use it and make the decision for yourself as well. So yeah, this is basically it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next video. Peace.